Hey, I'm Ryan, President at Sustainable Northwest Wood. So what do we got going on here? Well, about 12 years ago, we had the idea that the public was ready for, maybe even hungry for, a different type of woodyard. At the time, the prevailing model was that sustainability was an add-on or a special request, and we didn't think that was good enough. It made sense to us that sustainability would be at the core of what every woodyard should be doing. And our business is built around that model. What does that mean to us? Well, in a word, resilience. We depend heavily upon the communities, the forest, and the people, even, from which our wood is derived. Without them, this business does not exist. But sustainability means more than just the ability to keep doing what we've always done. Sometimes we do the wrong thing, and we need to modify that behavior. Forests, for example, provide for us a lot more than just wood products. They're the source of our clean air, our clean water, habitat. They sequester carbon, and the places where we recreate. We cherish them here in the Pacific Northwest. And we want to make sure that the wood products that we offer honor this cherishment that we have for them. So with that said, let's take a tour. Join us as we walk around the woodyard, learn a little bit more about our products and the stories they have to tell.
Hi, my name is Campbell. I'm the Marketing and Sales Director at Sustainable Northwest Wood. And as you heard from Ryan earlier, our company's commitment to sustainability is quite high. We are also very proud to work with a number of Living Building Challenge projects who have been looking for the all-elusive FSC certified wood. Our company has taken a position to stock FSC plywoods and lumbers and beams and other decorative products, and I'm here to take you for a little tour of what we have to offer. As you can see behind me, we have FSC structural plywoods from a number of different mills in the Northwest. They cover different thicknesses and uses from tongue and groove to ACX. We even have shop grade maple plywood, unfinished and pre-finished, for making those nice interior applications. And we also work with a number of hardwood plywood mills that are really offering cutting edge, no added formaldehyde panel products that are also FSC. Moving here to the lumber section, we buy a lot of our framing lumber, white fir framing lumber, from the Collins companies. Their mill is in Northern California, and they have one in Southern Oregon, and they own and operate land in Northern California. They've been around the FSC in the United States from the beginning, so all of this framing lumber that you can see here is all coming from those forests.
Hi, I'm Lynn. I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager at Sustainable Northwest Wood. And one of my very favorite parts about what we do is our juniper program. Juniper is a species that's native to Oregon, but in the last 100 years it's been encroaching in territories that it doesn't normally live in because of fire suppression. And it's a really thirsty tree, and is in eastern Oregon is a very high desert area, and so water is very precious. And what we're finding is in the removal of juniper that water is coming back to the creeks, the grasslands are being restored, grasses are coming back and able to sustain wildlife through the winters, and it is also providing job opportunities for people in rural Oregon where jobs are pretty scarce. So the cool thing about juniper is it's a very rugged and durable product. It makes an excellent material for exterior applications like landscaping projects, decking, exterior siding, and then we also make beautiful interior products like flooring and blister block and wall paneling. And the great thing about this product and our program is it's supporting wildlife, it's supporting the human beings, and it's also providing an amazing building material.
Hi, I'm Jake, and I'm part of the sales team here at Sustainable Northwest Wood, and I am in charge of our sample department. So if any of you architects and designers out there need some samples of our products, feel free to reach out to anyone here in our sales team. We'd be happy to put together one of these little sample boxes for you. And these kind of take you through all of our product range. Starting with, in the back here, we have some of our different siding profiles. We offer this in both Western Red Cedar as well as Restoration Juniper, and have a number of different profiles you can choose from. We also have some of this Doug fir siding, which comes unfinished or with an option of having it pre-finished with Timber Pro. They're another great local company here in Portland that we work with quite a bit. We also offer butcher block in 9 different species. It comes in both side grain, plank style, as well as end grain, which is not featured here. Our butcher block countertops come with a declare label, as you can see there. And you can reach out to any of us for a quote. Moving along here, we have some more interior wall paneling. We have a blue pine as well as a white fir. These come in a tongue and groove with a 5-inch face. And we also offer Northwest wood flooring in 9 different species. It comes in both solid and engineered. Here's a nice sample of some solid myrtle wood, as well as some engineered madrone and engineered figured maple. All of our flooring is made to order and comes with the option of having it pre-finished or unfinished. And you can reach out to anyone, once again, here on the sales team for a quote. And last but not least, we have some more of our interior paneling options in the form of Doug fir plywood, as well as Oregon white oak plywood. Great option for interior paneling, covering large areas. Some more bigger commercial jobs have used these in the past. And of course, we're happy to make samples of anything else you might need. If you're planning a deck project, home project, reach out to us and we'd be happy to help you out and get whatever you need.